Welcome to AAA Web Limited. This is the 10 watt Smd Flood Light. The main design features with this light is it can be surface mounted on top of a wheelhouse or a gantry, with the benefit that you can swing the light to be on the same angle as the deck, or tip it down even further if you want it shining back a bit. The light obviously comes with a length of cable. I'll just give you some measurements on this one. It's 11 centimeters, 110 mil, or 4¼ inches by 5½, 14½ centimeters, 145 mil, or with the bracket 6¾ inches, 17 centimeters, or 170 mil. It's quite a narrow light, so you don't need a lot of clearance. Not that normally that's an issue. But, the full width would be 1½ inch, which is 4 centimeters, 40 mil. These are all available on our website at www.aaweb.co.uk. So that's AAAweb.co.uk. Thanks for watching.